In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll start right from a fresh browser window so nothing is assumed. Type Binance into Google and review the results carefully. Choose the official Binance website, and before you proceed, glance at the address bar for the secure padlock and the correct domain. This helps protect you from lookalike sites. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it easily in the future. On the Binance homepage, look toward the main navigation and find the trade option. Hover over it on desktop or tap it on mobile. This menu is where you access different trading modes. For what we're doing today, head into Spot. Spot trading is the standard, straightforward way to exchange one asset for another at current market prices without leverage. When the spot trading interface opens, you'll see a price chart, an order book, and an order entry panel. Locate the order type tabs in that order panel. They typically default to limit or market. Click on Stop Limit to switch the panel into the mode we need. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the panel or expand it. The option is usually alongside other order types. With Stop Limit selected, you'll enter three values. The first is Stop. Think of the stop as your trigger price. When the market reaches this price, Binance will activate your limit order. The second is Limit. This is the exact price at which your order will be placed once it's triggered. The third is Amount, which sets how much of your crypto you want to sell. Be sure the Sell tab is selected if your goal is to exit a position. The amount is the quantity of the asset you're selling, not the one you're receiving. Here's a practical way to think about it for a sell order. You might place the stop slightly above the limit. For example, if you want to protect yourself if price falls, you could set a stop at a level where you'd like the order to trigger, and a limit a bit lower to give the order a better chance to fill. Remember, a stop limit order won't execute if the market moves past your limit price without trading at it. So leaving a small gap between stop and limit can help with fills during fast moves. Double-check the trading pair at the top of the interface to ensure you're working in the correct market. Verify the decimals and units, and review fees and minimums. If you're new to stop-limit orders, practice with a small amount first. That's the full setup end-to-end, using Google to reach Binance and configuring a stop-limit sell in Spot.